Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. It is time now for Legally Speaking with attorney Carol Thomas. Thank you for joining us this morning. How are you, Attorney Thomas?
I'm fine. Thank you very much for having me today, Colette.
We are so glad that you're here. So please, viewers, get a pen and some paper. We have some valuable information coming your way about some seminars. So we're talking today about elder law, estate planning, and trust. Attorney Thomas, you are an elder law attorney, and you have a background in counseling. You see many families dealing with dementia. So what are your main concerns for these families, Attorney Thomas?
Well, there's several concerns, Colette. The number one concern is it's obvious that there's great caring for the individual that has dementia. What a terrible illness to endure. But I don't think there's enough emphasis on the caregiver and how exhausting it is for the caregiver, whether it's the spouse, whether it's the children. It can be such a long, progressive disease. So we just need to be more concerned with the caregivers.
Now, Attorney Thomas, what can be done for those caregivers of loved ones dealing with dementia?
Well, when the spouse in particular comes to talk to me, when a spouse has dementia, obviously the one concern is the emotional toll it has taken on them. It is a 24-hour-a-day job. But secondly, they're very concerned about financially. Are they going to lose everything that they've saved because there's probably a nursing home in the future? That's why people come to see me. And what is really important for caregivers to know is there is help available, that we can get it, that if your spouse needs nursing home because of dementia, we can get the state or Medicaid to pay the entire bill. Colette, it's fabulous. Nursing homes are $10,000 a month, and we can get the state to pay the tab, but people have to get things done ahead of time in order for us to help them.
And that first step is really to see you, Attorney Thomas. You have a seminar coming up. When and where is that going to be? We love to hear about this because they're very, very popular.
They are, and I love doing them. I'm a former teacher, and I just love getting up there and teaching everyone what they need to know. So my next seminar is coming up in Bay City, and it's going to be Wednesday, March 16th. I have sessions at 10 o'clock and 5 o'clock. And I really encourage people to come so they can learn what their options are. And also, if you're perfectly healthy now, that's great. But we also have the sudden stroke in a family, and everything can change on a dime.
Yeah. Attorney Thomas, what will someone take away from attending one of your seminars?
Usually the comments that I get the most are they are very glad they came. There's so much information that they thought they knew, and now they really understand what the facts are. And primarily, I think what people come away from is this is a very specialized area of the law, and it's very important to have an elder law attorney teach them what they need to know. And I do love explaining. It is so simple to get things protected. And whenever I have clients that come in and they set up documents to protect their entire estate, they always say to me, why doesn't everyone do this? And I say, I really don't know, but that's why I do my seminars, just to get the information out. I do it as a community service.
And Attorney Thomas, as we wrap up, what message would you like to get out there? Anything else that you'd like to tell viewers?
If this is something that you've been thinking about, what do I need to do to get everything protected? What do I need to do for my children? For the charities they may want to leave things to, please consider coming to the seminar, because you will learn a lot. There's no pressure, there's no commitment. You can just sit back and learn. I only speak for about 45 minutes, so hopefully that's not too long that I bore individuals, but people really do enjoy the seminars, Colette.
Yes, they do. We hear that all the time. Very, very popular. Thank you again for calling in today, Attorney Thomas. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Of course, you're welcome. And again, you at home, if you want any more information, please head on over to the hot link section that's at our website, WNEM.com.